Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of Norwalk Islands to 7 nautical miles northwest of Captain Harbor to 6.
Let's go, SMW!
Moving east at 25 knots.
Yes, sir.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
What the hell?
Radar indicated.
That's
Impact.
crazy.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher
Goddamn.
waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near East Sister Bay, Mamaroneck Harbor, and Captain Harbor around 4:45
Captain
p.m.
Harbor?
Execution Rocks in Stanford Harbor around 4:50 p.m.
Stanford Harbor.
Hempstead Harbor
That's
at Long
crazy.
Point around 4:55 p.m. Norwalk Islands
What the
around
hell?
5:05 p.m. Oyster Bay and Oyster Bay Harbor
Oyster
around
Bay.
5:10 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor, Huntington Bay, Penfield
Goddamn.
Reef, and Bridgeport around 5:15 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River around 5:25
Housatonic
p.m.
River.
Stratford Shore at New Haven Harbor around
Another
5:35 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor
What the
immediately
heck?
until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms.
Let's
Keep
go.
calm the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island in Lake New York out 20 nautical miles. Severe thunderstorm watch 552 in effect.
Let's go, SMW. We need to get an FFW next.